How is iron really made? Have you ever wondered how the iron holding up skyscrapers, bridges, and cars started out as nothing more than a rock buried deep underground? What you're about to see is a mind-blowing journey, how raw stone transforms into the most used metal on the planet. Iron is one of the most abundant materials in Earth's crust. But here's the twist. We never find it pure. It's always locked inside minerals like hematite or magnetite, mixed with oxygen and impurities. To use it, we must rip it apart, and the process is so extreme, it feels like science fiction. It all begins in colossal mines, carved into mountains or hidden underground. Massive excavators and controlled explosions tear through rock, hauling out tons of iron ore every single day. One single mine can produce millions of tons a year. Imagine entire mountains being moved just to get this metal. From here, the ore travels in gigantic trucks to processing plants. It's crushed, sorted, and broken into smaller fragments. But it's still not ready. The iron must be concentrated, separating the valuable metal from worthless rock. Magnetic and chemical methods boost its purity, preparing it for the next stage, the blast furnace. This is where things get spectacular. The concentrated ore is combined with coke, a form of pure carbon, and limestone. Layer by layer, these materials are loaded into a towering blast furnace, a giant steel monster that breathes fire. Inside, temperatures soar beyond 1500 degrees Celsius. The carbon reacts with the oxygen in the ore, separating it until glowing liquid iron pools at the bottom, a river of fire waiting to be released. Every few hours, that molten iron is drained, a sight so intense it looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. This raw product is called pig iron, but it's still too impure and contains too much carbon. So the next step is refining. Pure oxygen is blasted through the molten iron, burning away carbon and impurities. The result, a cleaner, more workable metal. Add just the right amount of carbon back, and you've created steel, stronger, tougher, and far more versatile than pure iron. The steel is cast into molds, rolled into beams, or flattened into sheets. These pieces travel to factories worldwide, where they become everything around us. Bridges, skyscrapers, cars, trains, even the tools in your kitchen. Think about this. Every modern building, every knife, every machine you use began as a simple rock buried in the earth for millions of years. A silent journey, forged in fire, that connects the ground beneath your feet to the tallest structures in the world. Want to uncover more secrets about how the modern world is built? Hit subscribe and don't miss the next deep dive into the hidden stories behind everyday things.